Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at Goldbot One EA, an expert advisor available for both MT4 and MT5. And right away on the MQL5 Marketplace page, I can see that this EA is developed by Profalgo Limited and is currently priced at 649 US dollars. There are also flexible rental options available, including 3 months going for 349 US dollars, 6 months going for 449 US dollars, and a year going for 549 US dollars, with discounts applied depending on the duration. The version shown here is 2.6, updated on May 19th, 2026. As I scroll through the product page, the developer presents Goldbot One as a gold-focused trading system designed specifically for XAUUSD. The strategy is described as a breakout-based approach using support and resistance levels to identify potential market entry points. The EA is also presented as a multi-strategy system combining several variations of the same breakout logic to adapt to different market conditions. Now, one of the first key points highlighted is the eight strategy structure. All right, the EA runs multiple variations of its breakout model, with each strategy operating independently and executing one trade per setup. This gives the system a more distributed approach to trade selection while keeping execution controlled and organized per strategy. Another important element is the risk management design. Every trade is assigned predefined stop loss and take profit levels, and there are also trailing stop and trailing take profit mechanisms. From what is described, these tools are used to help manage open positions dynamically as price moves rather than relying on static exit points alone. Moving further down the page, I also notice features like volatility-based adjustments and a built-in filter system that includes things like maximum spread control and optional trading restrictions, such as Friday stop hours. There is also a section dedicated to news-related filtering options, including NFP event handling, where trades and pending orders can be closed or paused around major economic releases. Now, the EA also includes a flexible lot sizing system. Depending on the selected mode, position size can either be fixed or calculated based on risk per strategy. There are also settings that link lot size to balance or equity progression, as well as options like only up behavior, which prevents lot size from increasing after losses. These settings give traders different ways to control exposure depending on their account size and risk tolerance. Now, transitioning into the backtesting and historical analysis section, the developer provides specific instructions for testing conditions. The EA is designed to be tested on XAUUSD using a longer term data set, with a recommendation of at least 1 year or more for meaningful analysis. For MT5, the use of 1-minute OHLC model is suggested, while MT4 users are advised to use everytick modeling for more accurate simulation. The developer also outlines that the system was tested across multiple historical periods, including in-sample data from 2016 to 2023 and out-of-sample data spanning earlier and later periods. Now, from a review perspective, this is where we focus on how the EA behaves across different market phases rather than short-term snapshots. All right, let's just briefly look at the images provided here. We can see a growth of 29.33%, over about 4 months. This was December 2024 to March 2025. And we can also see that here fixed lot size stability test from 2004 to 2024, and this was 11-year out of sample data, out of sample unknown data. Optimization period was 2016 to 2023. The best performance is in 2024, which is 100% out of sample. Okay, and then here showing us some backtest results. Medium risk, it's shows us a growth of $10,000 to over $480,000 from 2020 to 2024. Total trades taken were 1,249 trades, and out of that figure, 735 were profitable, giving us a 58.85% profitability. Now let's just quickly head over to our strategy tester. Let us see how the EA behaved on XAUUSD on the daily time frame over the past 10 days. All right, we are using about a week plus, all right, just for want of time, okay, for faster results. But I recommend that you test it over a longer period of time, just like recommended on the marketplace page. You know, I would recommend that you test it for at least a year or even 2 years or more if you are really interested in this expert advisor. All right, but let's just see. So we can see since the beginning of this month, the EA hasn't seemed to execute any trade. But let's just check the journal. I don't really see any error message here concerning why no trade was executed. But let's just change this to last year, and then I'm just going to turn on the visuals. Okay, let's just see the EA in action. All right, so when looking at the historical chart behavior, the key observation is the structured nature of breakout entries around support and resistance levels. Okay, well, this looks really interesting. So many positions at once. Okay, so this EA seems to be an aggressive one. We can see a dashboard here showing strategy 1, strategy 2, up to strategy 8. Account balance, total PAL so far, no news coming up. All right, the dashboard showing us important information using fixed lot size 0.01 lots. Okay. Since there are multiple strategy variations running, it's important to evaluate consistency in trade behavior rather than isolated outcomes. At this stage, it is also important not to assume anything beyond what is visible in the data. The exact entry logic is not fully disclosed, so the analysis should remain focused on observable behavior such as trade timing, clustering, and how the system reacts during different volatility conditions. So when discussing historical backtest results, it is important to remember that this represents historical testing performance only. Results can vary significantly depending on broker execution, spreads, slippage, risk settings, and optimization choices. Even with long-term testing, real market conditions can still produce different outcomes. I would always recommend running your own extended testing across different gold market cycles to get a clearer understanding of how the EA behaves under varying conditions before considering any live application. Overall, Goldbot One EA for MT4 and MT5 presents itself as a structured, multi-strategy breakout system for gold trading with strong emphasis on risk control, adaptability, and long-term stability testing. The combination of multiple strategy variations, defined risk parameters, and extended historical validation makes it a system that clearly focuses on controlled automation rather than aggressive trading approaches. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insight. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.